Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna describe an important step for international travelers when they travel to India is buying a SIM card in India. Okay, and it's not just about like traveling to India. Anywhere you go, you should be aware of how to get a SIM card because using a local SIM card is always a very good option rather than carrying your country's SIM card because there could be high charges due to international roaming. Okay, all right, guys. So, like once you arrive in India, you have particular options to buy your SIM card. The easiest one, although slightly costly, slightly not much, because in India phone plans are way cheaper, much cheaper. You can't even compare with North American plans. So the easiest way for you to buy a SIM card in India is to buy it at the airport. If you are gonna land at New Delhi International Airport, there are kiosks at the exit gate. There you can buy. Okay, in the arrival. Okay, so uh, you can go there. Okay, and you can say that you need a SIM card. Okay, now these people will help you. Okay, although slightly more expensive, like 100, 200 rupees more, but they will help you. They will make a copy of your post passport. They will click a picture of you and they will ask you to sign a couple of paper. Okay, but before you leave the counter, get their phone number too because the SIM won't be activated right away. And they will tell you when exactly it will be activated by what time. And in case it does not get activated, you can give them a call back. Okay, all right. Now by that time, like if you wanna book a taxi and all, you there are stands. If you wanna book something online like Uber, you can go to a kiosk there. At I'm particularly talking about New Delhi Airport. They will give you a coupon. Using that, you can connect to their Wi-Fi. Okay, all right. Now what happens here is like once you go out of the airport. Okay, suppose if you have someone coming to pick you up and you directly went with them, it could be someone from your hotel or your friend. Okay, you can buy it outside airport too. But to be honest with you guys, sometimes those people may not be as familiar with as airport staff are about handling international customers. Okay, all right. So what happens is that they will ask you for a local reference. So your guest house or your hotel guys can help. Okay, all right. So they will like they will help you to fill it up and uh, for local reference like your hotel or guest house guys can give their address and reference phone number and they will also receive an OTP in their phone number and that can be done. Now this OTP can happen at the airport kiosk too, but those employees themselves handle it. Okay, all right. And again like your passport and other visa documents will be uh, copied over there along with your phone number. Okay, and most of the especially uh, international hotels, they provide this kind of facility. Okay, and if you have someone like your friend or relative, they can take a SIM card for you also. Okay, now another option you have is to carry an eSIM, a prepaid eSIM. Like there are brands like Airalo uh, and some more. Okay, that you can use. Like there are so many if you search online that you can definitely use that will also be useful at least for initially before you get a physical SIM card or I mean to say local SIM card. I would highly recommend you get a local SIM card. It's good to carry some data initially, but once you are there, get a local SIM card, it will make your life much easier, much simpler, no doubt. With connectivity, getting OTPs or even using local services like Uber, Zomato and all in India, it will be much simpler. So this is what I would recommend, guys. So As I said, you can get a SIM card at the airport also and at local shop also, but getting at the airport is gonna be much simpler. So if you have sufficient time, try to buy over that. Paying 100 rupee or 200 rupee more is nothing compared to the convenience you will get. Okay. And yes, they will take your passport, visa, and also they will click your picture. Okay. Of course, copies of those documents, don't worry. And with a local reference, it will be activated soon. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.